Hey YouTubers, I wanted to do this little homemade video. A lot of people have been asking me on the videos that I've produced for you guys for YouTube. I use my own palette. This is a palette that I've made for myself, and a lot of you guys have sort of asked me where you can get one of these palettes from, and I wanted to bring this little video to you today to sort of show you how I've made this. This is one I've made for myself. All of my students have one of these when I'm teaching, and they find it really useful because we have a list of all the colours down the side. We've got this great mixing area here, and then you've got your grayscale along here, and then you've got little areas for you to put your relevant paint mixes in there. I use this specifically for the portrait courses, so you'll see like mother mix, blush mix and things like that, but you can actually just put your own different colour mixes in there if you wasn't particularly into portraiture. So I wanted to kind of give you this little homemade video. I do apologise for sort of the rough editing, etc. This is just me and the camera. There's no film guys here today. So what to make this yourself, what I've done and what you need to grab yourself one of these A3 inner sheets, a piece of A3 foam board, and a piece of A3, hopefully you can see that, a piece of A3 Perspex. Okay, now this inner sheet is available for you guys to download for free. This is from my book website, The Healing Art. This is the new book that I've just released. I'm quite excited about that. I've had a really nice response from it and some great reviews on Amazon. So thanks guys if you've been one of those who put a review on there. I really appreciate that. Now the website is, all the links will be below. Again, I do apologise. This is pretty rough and really unedited, but hopefully it will give you the message. The inner sheet is available to download, and all the links are all down below. So all you do is quite simply use the foam board, sandwich the inner sheet between the foam board and the Perspex. So you've got that, and then simply use some ducting tape right around the edges just to seal that. Now you do want ducting tape, especially if you're using any kind of water-based paint or even oil-based, which is what I use, because obviously if you use sort of masking tape it'll get wet and just come apart. So this is the sort of plasticky ducting tape, so it's nice and secure. Just secure all the edges. As such, here's one we made earlier. So you can see we've got the foam board, we've got the Perspex, and we've got that inner sheet sandwiched between. Now again, this is available for free. The inner sheet's available for free. Obviously the other items you'd need to purchase, but they're relatively inexpensive. But you will really find this a great little palette, especially if you're using oils like I do. So easy to wipe and clean. So I've got some paints laid out for you. Again, I'm going to keep this really short, this video. So we've got the palette here, we've got the paints laid out. So I'm going to take a little bit of this cad red and some of the yellow, mix those two together, and once I've got a colour I'm happy with, we can pick that up and put it in one of our slots. You can mix yourself quite a few different colours. Now I always give that a wipe before I begin mixing my next colour. But again, you can see how super easy it is to clean. Now, I can clean it when I finish painting at the end of the session. I'll just scrape up that paint and either just wipe it. If it needs a little extra, I'll just dip into a little drop of baby oil and just give that a quick wipe down. Really easy to keep nice and clean.